Hello everyone, welcome to Petrichor Tarot. This is our premiere video for the channel, and we are starting off with a general message for the collective, one that we will call the Daily Rain. Let's get to it. Let's get a general message. 4 cards come out. It feels like no one believed us. It feels like no one believed what we were saying. And now the truth has come out. A lot of people didn't want it to come out. A lot of people wanted for this message to not get out. For this truth. But let's keep going. And the truth shall set you free. Yeah. Very painful. Very painful. But at the same time, very liberating. There were a lot of people involved. But it had to be done. It had to be done. New horizons. There's new horizons. There will always be new horizons with every ending, a new beginning. So don't worry. Everything will eventually fall into place. You are on the right track. You are on the right journey. One that is meant for you and only you, which only you alone can handle and actually follow through. There was a lot of inner work. There was a lot of inner work. And it was chaotic. But eventually, you find peace. You find harmony, collaboration, mutual respect. All's well that ends well. This feels like a send-off, right? We've ended this. We've had closure. We've ended this chapter, and we're moving on. We're moving on. It's not sad. It's not a sad ending. It's a culmination of what was going to happen, inevitably. It was bound to happen. We know that it was going to happen, so it doesn't hurt as much. It's still painful, of course, but it's just not, it doesn't hurt anymore. Not like how it did when you were going through it. So yeah, new horizons. New journeys. To send off to the past. And hello to the new beginnings. That's it. I think that was very gentle message. An overall gentle message. For someone that needed this release, that needed this closure. I hope that this was something you will use some kind of affirmation that you're ready. Thanks very much for tuning in. I know your time is precious and valuable. Thank you. Thanks for being here. Petrichor Tarot. Come back. Subscribe. Let me know your thoughts. Thanks much. See you next time.